What is cracked wheat? Cracked wheat is a whole grain product made by grinding wheat berries into coarse particles larger than flour. It is a versatile product used in many traditional Mediterranean, North African and Western dishes and baked goods. Incorporating this ingredient into baked goods provides unique texture and a distinct nutty flavor, plus an increased fiber content. Cracked wheat is frequently confused with bulgur, another product made from wheat grains. While wheat's production relies only on simple milling, bulgur requires steaming and cooking prior to consumption. Where does it come from? Similar to other wheat-based products, cracked wheat is believed to have originated in the Levant and some Mediterranean countries, including Lebanon, Israel, and Turkey. Currently, the popularity of this ingredient is growing throughout the world. It is being produced and consumed by many populations, mainly health-conscious groups. Function. Due to the limited processing requirements, it is conceivable that cracked wheat can provide the same nutritional health benefits as their wheat source. For example, when used in cookies it adds fiber, folate, iron, calcium, vitamins, etc. Fine cracked wheat can be used to replace some or all of the wheat flour in some baked goods. Because this wheat is not usually pre-cooked, it may require soaking in water for a few hours before adding to bread or other products. In addition to its ease of preparation, it can enhance the texture and impart crunchiness to many food recipes and baked goods. Commercial production. Production of cracked wheat does not require elaborate processing. Commercially, it is manufactured by milling raw hard wheat berries that have been cleaned and husked into smaller pieces and further sizing or screening. 3 sizes are typically produced: fine, medium and large size granules. This process preserves the nutrient and fiber-rich bran and germ layers and reduces cooking time. Composition and nutrition. The nutrients in 100 grams of cracked wheat include carbohydrates 75%, protein 12.5%, fiber 12.5%, total lipids 1.25%, calcium 0.05%, iron 0.0045%, energy 350 kilocalories. Wheat is naturally high in fiber and important micronutrients such as minerals and phytochemicals. Due to the whole grain nature, cracked wheat intake is considered a healthy choice for consumers interested in reducing their risk of many chronic diseases, such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obesity, inflammation and cancer, etc. Application. One of the most common applications of this form of wheat is its use as base for products such as couscous and served alongside vegetables or meats. In cereal grain-based goods, it can be used in multigrain breads, grain pilafs, muffins, pancakes, pastries, porridge, other grain dishes, replacement for rice, and desserts. Curious to learn more about cracked wheat and how to use it in your baked goods? Visit BAKERpedia. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.